Hi guys, welcome back to Mark's Crypto channel. In my last video I spoke to you about making an Electroneum offline paper wallet. At the time I did say it was the only wallet available. Now, although it is the safest wallet available and by far the easiest wallet to make, it is not actually the only wallet available at the moment. You can also get the Electroneum Cli wallet. Now, the Cli wallet is a little less user-friendly, but if you can get your head around it, you can do a lot more with it. You can import your paper wallet, you can check your balance, you can make transactions, you can send some coins to the exchange if you'd like to do some trading. So in this video I'd like to show you how to set it up. So if you come along to Electroneum's website, electroneum.com, and go to the top, you'll find the download section. Once you're in here, you need to scroll down the page and find Windows Direct Miner. If you click on the download button and wait for Chrome to do its thing, as you can see I've already downloaded this file. Once you've downloaded it, I suggest you make a folder on your desktop, call it something easy or whatever you like. So it's going to be easy for you to find. You should have a file win64. So whatever you're using, WinRAR or WinZip, you should be able to right click and select extract files. Okay. So once you've done that, you need to go into this folder and you'll see there's about 8 different files in here. There's only 2 of these files actually going to interest us. We want the electroneumd file and the electroneum-wallet-cli file. Now, electroneumd, this is the program that's going to connect to the network and synchronize you with the blockchain. We need to run this file before we can start the wallet file. So if we just click on here and start this up, you may get some firewall warnings. Just click on allow access. You'll be presented with this box with lots and lots of text. It should say down here, synchronize now started. Right, I have already synchronized to the blockchain. If you are running this for the very first time, it will take a while. It can take about 2 hours just to synchronize up to the blockchain. If you type in down the bottom, sync_info, and push enter, you can actually see details. So sync info height is 37,314 of 37,314, 100%. So as you can see, I am fully synced up with the network, so I can continue. But if you're at this stage and you're not synced, you just need to let it run. Off you go, make a cup of coffee, come back in a couple of hours, and hopefully everything should be working fine. There were a few connection issues yesterday. I will leave a comment in the info box below. If you do have any issues, have a look down there for any troubleshooting problems. Okay, so once you're fully synced to the network, next thing we need to do is leave this running, just minimize it, and you need to start your Electroneum Wallet-Cli program. Here we go. Right, this is going to show you how to create a wallet from the start. I'll get into how we can import our paper wallet shortly, but if you'd just like to use this to create a brand new wallet where you can send money to, or coins to, you'll come in here. It says specify wallet name, e.g. my wallet. If the wallet doesn't exist, it will be created. So I want to create a brand new wallet. I'm going to call this one test. And enter. No wallet found with that name. Confirm creation of the new wallet named test. Y for yes, N for no. Just type Y. And now it generates a new wallet. Now, in this program, you're going to pick a password. I'm going to quickly pick a password. And then confirm the password. Then it gives you a list of languages. As you may have guessed, I'm using English, so I'm going to select number 1. If you're not using English, you'll pick the one you want. Okay, So once you've done that, it is going to give you 25 words. These words here, you want to copy these words, write them down, copy them into a text document, put them somewhere safe. This is how you will recover your wallet if you lose your password or your computer crashes or anything like that. You need these so you can get your wallet back. So make sure you save them. You'll also notice down here that it's starting to refresh. This is now synchronizing with the blockchain from the daemon that you're actually running over here. This could take about 5-10 minutes, so again, sip away on that coffee. I'll be back with you as soon as that is done. Okay guys, back again. If you find that when the refresh starts it hangs, this shouldn't take too long, should only take a couple of minutes, but if it does hang for quite a while, what you can do is just close down this box. If you can't get any action from here, you should actually exit it properly like that, but if you can't, if you find it's not giving you any input options, close it down and just start it back up again. This time we've already created our new wallet, so you just need to type in here your wallet name that you called it earlier on and your wallet password. Once you do that, you'll find it starts refreshing, and this time it will more than likely work. So as we can see, the balance I have for this is 0. That's because it's a brand new wallet. And there's your wallet address. So now you can go, and if you're going to start mining, you can send to this address. If you want to go onto the exchange and buy some Electroneum, you can send it to this address. And that is how you create a brand new Electroneum wallet. Now, what if you'd like to import the paper wallet you created at an earlier date? You may have coins on there, you may have not kept track of how many you've got, and you'd like to see the balance. Well, for that we need to do something a little different. So if we close this down, we'll click exit. Okay, so to import your paper wallet into this Cli wallet, or Cli wallet should I say, you're going to need your paper wallet details. Now here is one of the paper wallets I made earlier. This is just a test. If you again need to know how to make this, go back to my previous video. You're going to need your public wallet ID, your private spend key and your private view key. Now if you didn't make a copy, if you printed this off and didn't keep an electronic copy, you've got to try and get these keys onto your computer. You can either type them out, which is a little bit tedious, or you could download a QR scanner to your phone, scan these and maybe email them to yourselves just so you can get them on your computer. Once you've got that, you want to go and make a text document, new text document, and we just call this paper info or whatever you like, and open it up. You want to come over here and copy your public wallet address. So we copy that, go back into the text document, put in address, put that in. Right, you'll notice it copies it as 3 lines. We don't want any lines, so what we want to do is just take out the line breaks. Next we're going to go over and copy our private spend key. So Control C to copy and create a line spend key, paste that in. Again, take out any line breaks. We need to take out the line breaks because it will mess up the Cli wallet otherwise and we just get errors. And next we're going to be copying over our view key. So again, come back over here, just copy and select that, come back in here and we'll paste it in, Control V, again remove the line breaks. Okay, so once you've got this, you can leave this document open for the time being. That's all the info we're going to need when the wallet asks us for it. So now secondly, we need to make a back file that's going to start up the Cli wallet, but this time it's going to add a couple of parameters which will allow you to import your wallet. So if you again create a new text file, and this time we're going to call it whatever, but I'm going to call it import, and open that up. In here you want to type in electroneum-wallet-cli.exe space -- generate -from -keys, and then a space, and then you want to give your wallet a name. So you're importing your paper wallet, you can call it what you like. I'm going to call this paper test. I shall put this in the video description below. You can just copy and paste it across if you like. Once you've done that, you want to click close and save. Right, this is saved as a text document. We need to make this into a bat file. As you can see, I've already got one here, one I made earlier. If I just delete that. To make this into a bat file, you need to make sure you've got extensions showing. If you can't see the dot text, what you want to do is come up to the view bar and tick this box here, file name extensions. Once you've done that, you can rename and just change the text to BAT. Just asks you, are you sure you want to change it? Click on yes. So what this does now is when we double click on this, it will open up the Cli wallet, but it will pass in the information you want. So double clicking, and again we're presented with the command box. So here it is asking you for your standard address. If we move this here and bring up our information, and we can just copy this across. So first of all, we want our address. Control copy, Control V, enter. So now it wants your secret spend key. Again, we save that over here. Control copy, come back over here, Control V, enter, and then your secret view key. Control copy, Control V. Now, because you're putting this into your Cli wallet for the first time, it's going to ask you to enter a password. So anything you like, just make sure you remember it. Push enter and then confirm your password. And enter. So here we go. Now we've got generated new wallets. There's your wallet address. Restore from specific blockchain height, optional, or default 0. Default 0 will go back to the very start of the blockchain and scan the blockchain for any transactions you may have had with this wallet. Now, you can also specify a date. If you only made your wallet 2 days ago, you know there's going to be nothing in there, so you can specify a date from 2 or 3 days ago to bring in all your transactions. If you've had your wallet a while, you can just type in 0 and push enter, and now it's going to start refreshing from the blockchain. As you can see, it's got to go to 37,317. So this could take a while, but if you have got coins on your paper wallet, after a while you'll start seeing streams of green text coming in here telling you your transactions that have gone. So again, go away, get yourself a coffee, come back when this has finished. I'll be back with you shortly. Right, once the refresh has completed, if you do have some coins on your paper wallet, you should now see your balance. Here's mine. For the purpose of this video, I've transferred over to my actual Cli wallet that I imported earlier on. Once you've created your wallet, you can exit out of it at any time. Just type in exit, and any time from now on you want to get back into your wallet, you just need to remember what you called it. So in that instance I called it paper01. So double click on Wallet Cli and it will ask you to put in which wallet you'd like to have a look at. In my case it was paper01. It's going to ask you for the password that you created. Just type that in and it comes up, shows you your balance. If it's been a while it might have to go through and start refreshing, but there we go. Now you can see your balance and you can access it anytime you like. Just don't forget your password. While you're in this box you can see use help command to see a list of available commands. All you've got to do is type in help and you'll be presented with quite a few options here. So if you wanted to, if you lost your spend key or view key, you can type in view key, push enter, and it will show you that information. I'm not going to do that now because I don't particularly want anybody having my view key and spend key. I advise you not to give your view key or spend key to anybody unless you would like them to take your Electroneum. So there's your Cli wallet. Now for the next section I am going to show you how to send your Electroneum to an exchange, so you can do a little bit of trading or sell it. Entirely up to you. I'll be back in a minute and we'll start that. Okay guys, I'm back here in my paper test wallet. I had a couple of issues where the transaction wasn't coming through, and if you do experience any issues yourself, what you need to do is make sure that number one, the electroneumd program is still running in the background, and two, you need to make sure that it is staying synced. You can check that out again by looking at the sync information, and now I am actually in sync. A minute ago I wasn't. So what you want to do in that case is just close this down and restart the program, let it run a couple of minutes and let it sync up. Once it's synced up you can come back into your wallet and refresh. I've transferred over 50 Electroneum to this paper wallet, so I can show you how to transfer it to an exchange. Now currently the only place you can trade Electroneum is Cryptopia. So if you have a Cryptopia account, head on over there. If you don't have a Cryptopia account, there is a referral link in the description if you'd like to support the channel, and just click on that link and sign up for an account. It's free. We're going to need some details from here. You want to make a deposit, so come up to the top, click on deposit, and then select the currency you want to transfer in. You type in ETN and bring up Electroneum. Click on next. And here it will give you all the information you need to make a deposit to Cryptopia. What we need to do is open up a text document. You want to do this so you can get all your command into one nice long string ready for doing the transfer. First of all, you want to start off by typing transfer with a space, and then come back here and you want to copy the address you're going to send it to. So this is your Cryptopia wallet address. We'll copy that, go back to our notepad document, paste that in. Secondly, you want to put in how much Electroneum you want to transfer. So I am going to transfer across 49. So we've just left a space there between your address and how much you want to transfer, and then another space. And then very important for sending to the exchange, if they give you a payment ID you need to include this as well. So we're going to copy that and come back to our text document and paste it in again. So you can see this has given you quite a long string. Now putting it into a text document does make it a lot easier for copying it over and running the command. So we've got our transfer with space, the wallet address you want to send it to on Cryptopia, the amount of coins you want to send, and the transaction ID. Once you've got all that, you want to copy the whole lot. Make sure you get all of it. Control C to copy. and come back into your wallet and paste that in. Control V. Just double check it looks alright and push enter. At this stage it's going to ask you for your wallet address, password. I nearly put the wrong one in. Push enter. It says here there is currently a 1 block backlog at that level. Is this okay? Yes. Sending 49. The transaction fee is 0.01. Is this okay? Yes. Transaction successfully submitted. You can check the status of this by using show_transfers. So if we type in show_transfers, enter. So here we can see our transfers. We had 50 coins I sent from my other wallet. This came in at 23 minutes past 5, and now we've just done another transaction sending out to the exchange, and it says pending. So all we need to do now is just wait. That'll go up to the blockchain, and once it's been processed it should show up in our Cryptopia account. I don't imagine it's happened yet, but we can go back to Cryptopia and click on balances. Wait for that to load up, and here we have Electroneum. I've already got a balance in here. Nothing's showing up yet, so let's just have a look at deposit history. So we've got nothing shown up here yet, for Electroneum at least. So we can come back to our wallet. Again, click on transfers. This can take a while. It all depends on how far behind the blockchain is, how long it's going to take. It could take a few minutes, could take up to half an hour. I'll get back to you when that's gone through. Okay, back again, and on this occasion it only took a few minutes to go through. So as you can see here, I've typed in show transfers, and it's actually showed now that I had 50 coins go in earlier on, and here's the transaction. It's actually gone out 49 coins. So if I come back to my Cryptopia account and have a look at deposit history, we can now see 49 coins showing up, and it's got 1 of 20 confirmations. So what that needs to do is just go through several confirmations on the blockchain, and then that will show as available in your balance. And that's it for now. If you have any questions, please leave some comments below. I'll try and answer as many as I can. If you have any ideas for the next video, just let me know. And if you've enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you can hit the thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down. Leave a comment and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.